respected Chancellor USTM Shri M. Haq, Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. G.D. Sharma, Colonel Shomvir Bhatnagar, Shri Sayyid Ali, Director Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan, respected faculty members, my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to be a chief guest here on this auspicious occasion of launch of Horse Riding Club in USTM. I have a memory of USTM here. 7 years back, I was commandant in Tura, Meghalaya, and came to Group Center CRPF Guwahati for one of the recruitment drive. I was the presiding officer in that, and with the help of your respected Chancellor, sir, we conducted the recruitment written examination here. So I am having a second visit to your USTM, and I am seeing a tremendous development, growth, and it has come up so well. I am delighted to see the university is definitely going to achieve its all aims and the goals which your Chancellor sir has said that it would be definitely, I wish it would be one of the best universities among the world. I had been a power lifter in my college days. My mother, she is passed out of first Bachelor of Physical Education batch from Lakshmi Bai Physical Education College, Gwalior. So I am having a sports background, and still I am running half marathons. I ran half marathon in Ladakh also. So I just want to tell you, if you are having a passion for something, if you haven't done earlier anything, but you have decided and you are disciplined, you are determined, so you can achieve anything in your life. So now the new venture has come in your college, that is horse riding, and I must say that you all must try to enjoy this, and enjoyment is more important in life than any other thing. That gives you the happiness. We are always thinking that how I can be happy. So this is one of the things that will bring you happiness in your college. It's a new venture and you must try it. And horses are very strong. You have to be strong. They are having patience, so you can also develop patience. They are having perseverance, you can also develop perseverance. And with all these things, definitely it will bring new change in your curriculum activities. Your concentration will be more because you will be focused to achieve something. So with all these words, I wish USTM wonderful launching of this horse riding club, and it will be very fruitful for all the students. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai CRPF.